Yeah. Snow bunny. Wow. Yeah. It's unreal. Everybody partying. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Not much green going around here. Everybody's filling up. No matter what happens in the world, there's always people having beverages. Yep, lighting it up. Let's get it on. Donkey Kong. Look at that mean looking truck there. What kind of rig's got to have? Look at the studs on there. Wow. The Coney drivers. Yeah. See the snowmobiles. Coming in for fuel. This is all within over 24 hours. Dave! That's my boy Cable Dave. There he is. I'll tell you what, a man of the hour there. Well, people, you want to know what a quality friend looks like? There he is right there. Codename Cable Dave. Been there for me, boy, when I needed him. Far and few to find, boy. Nice to have. Thanks, Dave.